This is the world's first, a motorcycle with a 4-cylinder engine. It is the legendary model Honda CB754. The model was mass-produced in 1975. It was once known as, yes, a major milestone in motorcycle design and technology. Today's issue of Restoration Guide. Hugo from Texas, USA. The engine displacement is 749 cubic centimeters, 8,000 RPM for a maximum of 67 horsepower. 7,000 RPM provides 60 Newton meters of torque with a 5-speed transmission, and for each cylinder are equipped with an independent carburetor. Honda also equipped it with the technology of GP racing. Top speed can break 200 kilometers per hour. Appearance: double hugging frame. The unique shape of the bilateral exhaust, as an important model of the Honda Dream series. At that time, it only cost $1,495 to have, more cost-effective than European models. Use a detection instrument to detect whether there is rust in the cylinder. As can be seen from the image of the video feedback, cylinders are exposed, a little rusty. To get the engine running again, Brothers Show needs to redebug the magneto part. Prepare for engine power supply and startup. Let's see if the startup is successful. Unfortunately, the engine did not respond. Brothers Show decided to disassemble the casing on the engine. See what's wrong with the engine. The car has broken down in the past. Makes the repair process more difficult. Brothers Show disassembled the external parts. Remove the 4-cylinder carburetor from the engine. The rubber tube becomes stiff due to too long. Therefore, it needs to be softened by heating. Finally manage to disassemble the carburetor. Then disassemble the internal structure of the carburetor. After the demolition is completed, you can see that the inside is not as bad as you think. Put the carburetor in the ultrasound. Remove internal oil stains. After cleaning, the effect is very good. Then reassemble the carburetor. After assembly, install it in its original position. After completion, drain the oil from the bottom. From the quality of the oil, the car was well maintained before. Disassemble the oil pump at the bottom and clean it. After cleaning, reassemble it. Install the engine cover and connect the battery. See if the engine can start. The engine can finally start. It's just fantastic. The sound of the 4-cylinder engine is too loud. The next step is to disassemble the front shock absorber. After completion, put it in an ultrasonic instrument for cleaning. The shock absorber after cleaning is completed. Reinstall in the original location. Purchase new tires to install them. The car is designed to ensure braking performance. The first to use disc brakes on motorcycles. The front wheels are 290 millimeters. Single disc brake with single piston. CB750 became the first legendary model in the history of motorcycles. Install the new dashboard when complete. This double round pointer dashboard is stylish and atmospheric. Still in use today. The inside of the fuel tank is derusted by electrolytic derusting. You can see it when it's done. The electrolytic rod is wrapped with a thick layer of rust-coated pulp. Finally, use a cleaning agent for secondary cleaning. The paint on the outside of the fuel tank is well preserved. Just a simple polishing and brightening is required to complete the repair. Finally, install the prototype headlights. Brothers Show put on a new seat cushion. This Honda CB754 motorcycle has been restored, although the model was discontinued in 1977, but it has sold more than 600,000 units. That is CB754. Let Honda be in the motorcycle industry. Established the kingship, has now disappeared, but his legend still lives on in the rivers and lakes. Finally, let's experience his speed and passion.